remember whenever we are celebrating the Children's Day, the children who are the future citizens of India. Pillallara, Paapallara, Repati Bharata Paurullara, Prajjala Sevaka Saaditu Pillallara, Bharata Desam Okate Veenu, Bharata Mataku Neere Kallu, Neere Kallu, Neere Kallu, Bharata Desam Okate Veenu, Bharata Mataku Neere Kallu, Jati Patakam Kaise Gadesi, Jati Gauravam Kaapadalli, Kaviyu Kayaka Anta Kalasi, Bharatiyulai Nelagalli, Bharatiyulai Nelagalli, Kanyakumariki Kashmiriki, Veedani Bandham Velalli, Kamyonatanu Kalkalli, Pillallara, Paapallara. The future citizens of India, my best wishes always with you. The children who played the different roles, it means that they have an ambition in their life.